JSTY-ACU120 Towed Aircraft Grounding Air Conditioning Unit Operation Guide. The aircraft ground air conditioning unit is mainly used for ground ventilation support of civil aviation series aircraft. It is a fully independent air conditioning unit with cooling and heating functions. The built-in generator supplies all electrical power for the entire unit. The air outlet delivers suitable cool, fresh air. Open the generator operation cabinet door. Turn on the main power switch. Turn the generator key to the on position. Switch to manual mode. Start the generator. Close the cabinet door. Turn on the cooling unit main switch and wait for it to start up. Turn the knob to the left for cooling. Turn the knob to the center for ventilation. Turn the knob to the right for heating. Open the air damper valve. Open the settings interface. Set the required temperature and flow rate according to technical specifications. Press and hold the start button for 2 seconds until the green light illuminates. Wait for the cooling unit to start up. The cooling unit is now running successfully. After the service is completed, press and hold the start button for 2 seconds to shut down the cooling unit. Wait until the unit is completely shut down. Only when both flow 1 and flow 2 readings show 0, then close the air damper valve. Then close the air dampered valve. Turn off the cooling unit main switch. Shut down the generator. Turn the key to the off position. Turn off the main power switch. Operation completed.